Ako na.
Okay. Gentlemen's.
Sure ka? Oh,
Hindi
sige.
ako iiyak.
Sige.
Don't think I ever
To my my baby, my one and only. In almost 3 decades of praying to meet the one. With 3 instances of meeting, you have now reached 2 years of our relationship. Diba? Ayun.
here to steal my beating heart.
Our away bati dynamic has made us understand our imperfections and be able to navigate through thicks and things. Second time around.
John Christian, my first and last boyfriend and my husband for 9 months now. My current husband. I want to thank you for being my strength, my best friend, my enemy sometimes, may kasangga sa lahat. Thanks for being the most understanding and kindest person in my life. You know my struggles, weaknesses, and shortcomings, but you still choose me, and kahit sa mga panahon na di tayo nagkakaintindihan, lagi mo pa din inaalala ako at lagi mo pa din pinipili ang relationship natin. Thank you for everything. Iiyak. I love you always, and I can't wait to walk down the aisle and meet you at the altar. Mara. Naiiyak.
Hindi.
Naiiyak ako. Love you, babe. Actually, siya yung first boyfriend ko kasi yung mga previous, lagi nagtatanong na, pwede ba manlikaw? Which is, siya, hindi niya yung tinanong. Kaya sabi ko, parang match dun sa gusto ko.
Kasi ang usapan kasi namin before, parang ano ba ang gusto mo dito sa stage na to? Is dating to marry or ganyan? Hilinaw namin sa isa't isa na dating to marry. Na, yun, kaya
So gusto mo na akong pakasalan nun?
siyempre naman.
Oh.
softly, my world's into view. I do it all for you. I do it all for you, darling. It's true. I do it all for you. Every breath, every move, every step I do. I do it all for you. I do it all for you.
Nung nag-getting to know pa lang kami, very straightforward ako sa gusto ko sa relationship kasi nga parang ayoko nung date to parang to get to know other people or kaya date na try muna. So intentional siya in a way na sinabi ko sa kanya na this is dating to marry. Actually yung love story namin parang hindi siya nagsimula na parang gusto na namin yung isa't isa. It's always parang choosing each other talaga.
I do it all for you. I do it all for you, darling. It's true. I do it all for you. Every breath, every move, every step I do it all for you. I do it all for you. Time is spinning, swirling softly, my world into view.
For the past 3 years, ang dami na nating napagdaanan. At despite all, we always choose to stay and accept each other. For the next months, years, decades, we will be together. At kampante ako kasi isang katulad mo yung kasama ko sa laban ng buhay.